In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ClickFunnels to Kajabi effectively using Zapier. If you're aiming to streamline your workflow between these powerful platforms, by the end of this guide, you'll understand how to set up automation that can save you a significant amount of time and effort. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to log into your Zapier account. Zapier is the tool that will facilitate the communication between ClickFunnels and Kajabi. Once you're logged in, you'll start by creating a new Zap. Think of a Zap as a simple process or workflow that tells Zapier to do something for you. Click on Create Zap to get started. Next, you'll need to set ClickFunnels as your trigger application. This means that an event, such as a new customer or a form submission, in ClickFunnels will initiate the automation. Choose ClickFunnels from the list and then specify the trigger event that you want to use. Common triggers include a new contact, a new purchase, a new order, or a new form submission. After selecting your trigger event, connect your ClickFunnels account by following the prompts. This usually involves logging into your ClickFunnels account through Zapier. Once you're connected, select the specific funnel or product that you want to monitor. Testing this trigger is crucial, as it ensures that Zapier can accurately detect the events you've specified. So make sure to run a test to ensure everything is set up correctly on the ClickFunnels side. Now it's time to connect Kajabi as the action step. In the same Zap, add an action app and search for Kajabi in the list. Connect your Kajabi account just like you did with ClickFunnels. With your account connected, it's time to decide what should happen when your ClickFunnels trigger is activated. You have several options available, such as creating a subscriber in Kajabi, adding a tag to a subscriber, subscribing someone to an email sequence, or granting access to a course or membership. These options allow you to handle various post-sign-up scenarios seamlessly. Next, you'll need to map the data from ClickFunnels to Kajabi. This step is about matching up the information collected in ClickFunnels with the appropriate fields in Kajabi. For example, ClickFunnels data fields such as first name, last name, email, phone, and product name should correspondingly match with Kajabi fields like first name, last name, email, phone, and tag or offer. Consider an example where a purchase in ClickFunnels automatically adds a tag in Kajabi and grants course access. That's the kind of flow you're creating. The penultimate step is to test the entire automation. Submit a test lead or purchase through your ClickFunnels setup, then run the Zap test in Zapier. After running the test, go into Kajabi and ensure that your test information appears there correctly, confirming that the integration works as expected. Finally, once everything is working smoothly, turn on the Zap. Review all your settings carefully and click Publish or Turn on Zap. With that, you're all set. Any new contact made in ClickFunnels will now automatically sync with Kajabi, making your processes far more efficient. Enjoy the seamless connectivity and the extra time you've just saved.